Okay, so this is the demo for assignment 5. And then these are my 2 instances I just ran in Visual Studio Code. I didn't create 2 executables just because I don't use a different listener than the default one. So this works fine. So this is the first instance, and then this is the one you use. This is the sender, and then this one listens. So, and this was the first one I opened, so this is the second one I opened. So the cube can move pretty much in any direction, and it'll sync up, so spacebar will go up, and then left control goes down, and then the arrow keys move it in the other directions, and then it'll also rotate in the X, Y, and Z directions if you press the X, Y, or Z keys on the keyboard. And you can rotate it and move it and rotate again and move it, and it will stay synced in this instance. So I'm doing all of my button click commands in here, and they're all being transferred to this window, sent to the listener. Yeah, so that's everything in that kind of demo. And you can kind of see up here the payload messages that are going through. So these first 3 numbers are the position of the cube. These next 3 are the amount it's rotating by in the X, Y, or Z axes. And then this 14 is the ID for the object, so I didn't have to, so that when I move things, I send the message and I move the cube, I don't have to make a new cube each time and then push that onto the world list, because that made a bunch of new cubes. So I can just move the same cube and I don't have to make more of them. So yeah, this is just the .cpp file for the netmessage create WO. It's pretty similar to the example one, except I had to add the ID and the rotation stuff. And then just to get all of the movement to work, it is all in this key down function. So down, up, right, left, and then space and control for that kind of up and down motion, and then X, Y, and Z for the rotation. Yeah, and that's about it. So that's my assignment 5.